Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the contentment in a Java. Inheritance is the most common approach for the code reusability in object-oriented programming language. Sometimes we may need only the one functions to be used from a class but still inherit the entire class. The results in all the base class members with public and protected access modifiers also being exposed to the derived class. Containment provides an alternative to the use of inheritance along with the ability to control the which members of a class should be available to the other class. Let's we talk about the what is an containment in Java. The containment is the simple approach in which a class B that needs to access the member of the class A. It's like an inheritance. Inheritance means the one class is derived from to the another class. It's same like the containment is needs for the class B A to access the member of the class B. Content an instance object of a class, but in the containments we need to store an object rather than the inheriting the class of A. Although controlling the access to the member of the class may be reason why we may not prefer inheritance for code reusability. Sometimes inheritance is useful for the code reusability, but it's not the preferred way to use the inheritance for the code reusability. Meanwhile, we use the for the code reusability containment. A containment we also use in a linked list. For example, if we want to store the informations of the student 1, student 2, student many students, then we try to make the object of student 1 class, then that object stored to the student 2 class and so on. The code reusability. There are few points that may be helped to decide whether we should use inheritance or containment. For example, do we need to entire functionality of the class or just some part of the? If we need to entire functionality of the class, then we use the containments is the preferred way. Thank you. That's all about from my side.